are Jay and Ainsley, otherwise known as Gallus Gallivants, and on this vlog series we visit the land of fire and ice, Reykjavik, Iceland. We explore the national park's golden circle in search of geysers and waterfalls. We then embrace Icelandic spa life by having a soak in one of its many naturally geothermically heated lagoons. Come get lost with us. Hi guys, welcome to Gallus Gallivants. We're on day 2 of our Icelandic adventure. We finally saw the Northern Lights last night. It was an amazing adventure. We didn't think it was going to happen, and then we did. So today we have a rental car. I'm usually on that side, I'm on this side. So today we are going to
the Golden Circle.
The Golden Circle, which is like a big, it's actually where we were last night. It's a big, what's it called again? A reservation, a land reservation?
It's actually numerous spots, and it's various tourist spots that are accessible from Reykjavik, so you do a bit of a loop round and see some really awesome things.
So we've got geysers, waterfalls,
a big kind of scar in the earth where the two tectonic plates have come apart and you can walk down it.
And then we're going to go to a spa, but not the Blue Lagoon, so we're going to go to the one that the locals recommend. It's cheaper and it's on the way, so that's today, so come get lost with us. It's very bizarre driving a manual. I've only ever driven automatics on the other side of the road because it's so much easier. I keep wanting to reach into the side of the door and pull the handbrake on. It's good fun though. Except from all the cars that are like 5 times the size of me, like monster trucks.
That's people's houses, Joe, don't go too far.
First drone flight, awesome. And now it's time to drive through this crazy Scottish, Nordic, awesome place. It's another country and it's another Game of Thrones location. This is 2 tectonic plates which are pushing together. Pulling apart, sorry, and this is the location of the road to the Erie, and also where
the Hound and
Brianna have their fight. We're not going to give any spoilers what happens, but they have a fight and it's in this area as well. So yeah, it's 2 tectonic plates which are getting pulled apart. Right now we're in the national park of Thingvellir. It's very cold, hence why there's beautiful ice. And so yeah, we seen the Northern Lights last night, and now we're exploring the national park today. It doesn't even really bear thinking about how actually old this crazy bit that feels like the Giant's Causeway is. So there's a small waterfall up here as well. It's very Scottish.
Yeah.
It's very Celtic. I'm going to try something. Please don't fall on my backside. Yes! Wow, look at the spray off the waterfall. Oh, I'm going to have to fly my drone really far away from that. Wow, so this is the Erie. Wow, this is awesome. On, drone time.
Jay is giving me the fear right now.
Why? You're racing the tree again at the minute when I do this.
Oh no! Ah, up!
Look at that landscape. It's amazing. Can't believe how sunny it is now. I'm absolutely roasting. Oh mate, we're at the geyser. Alright, so we're at one of the most famous places in Iceland. It's a natural geyser. It goes off every 10-15 minutes. It's really busy, so yeah, I'm really looking forward to this. It should be good. I'm planning on taking a high-speed photo of it. I've got my tripod with me and I'm going to use my iPhone 7 with this new super high-speed camera, so we'll see what we get. LTA Club, live the adventure. Louis, you're a legend for this. Look at these wee tiny little things. Funny smell, a really strong smell of sulphur. Like really strong. I didn't think it was going to be as pongy. Wow. So we're just walking up and the geyser just went off, or geyser. Oh my god, it's massive. It's so high up. And then it like instantly disappeared. So we'll see it again in another 10 minutes, I hope. Just realised I've not done any top tips. This one's the busiest out of all of them, so prepare to queue. So come really early or come last thing, because in the middle it's always busy. We just had 2 buses pull up while we were walking in. Can't believe they eat them here. So we're at Gallus, which is a big massive waterfall kind of thing. It's like a big, think of the Grand Canyon except full of water, and there's like a mini Niagara Falls, so we're going to go see that. Have you just caught it on the way in? The water shimmers get vista on it, so it looks like there's a rainbow. I don't know if we'll pick it up or if it was just my glasses, but we're going to go see it. It is super busy here. I mean, I think every bus in Reykjavik is here at the minute, so we're going to go see it. It's supposed to be amazing. It's windy, it's cold. I'm going to attempt to fly my drone. Wow! Look, can you see the vista? It's just my glasses. This is so cool. It is exactly the best description of the Grand Canyon, except full of water. Maybe not as deep. Well, we don't know how deep it is underneath. Look at the rainbow. See the rainbow? Wow. That's outstanding. Ainsley's driving. It's got your Star Trek affair, it's got your lens flares everywhere. Abrams editing. So we're all done. We've done the Golden Circle, we've seen everything we wanted to see, and now we're going to chill out and get a soak on in a geothermic pool. We aren't going to the Blue Lagoon, which is the tourist one here, the main tourist trap here. We're going to go to one of the other cheaper ones, which are more local and more kind of authentic. So we're going to go there just now. We're going to just chill out. You need to get totally naked and showered before you go in, which is kind of funny, because they want to make sure all the chemicals are rinsed off you before you go in. Great day in Iceland, what a fun day, great trip. Just fantastic. Hire a car, that's a top tip.
Easy.
It's so easy because there's so little population here, the infrastructure is so good because they're used to the snow. I would totally recommend hiring a car. Montana. Bloody freezing, this isn't going to be fun. It's freezing! Why is it so cold? Alright, let's do this. It's freezing, it's absolutely freezing. I'm outside. Oh, I don't know if Ainsley's here already. I don't know, I need to go look. It's freezing. It's so cold. She's dilly-dallying and I'm absolutely freezing. Oh, hurry up Ainsley. Seriously, hurry up. Oh, it's lovely and warm, isn't it? No, I'm not going to get in. Like, I seen someone jump in and then instantly nearly die. 4 of them ran in and went, oh yeah, and then ran out crying. This is awesome. So there's an even hotter bit over there. Maybe we should do that bit next. Nah, it's fine now. Roasty toasty. Right. It's cool though that it's proper like volcanic rock. What an amazing end to our second day in Iceland. Look at that view. Beautiful skyline, and now we're in this amazing chilled out geothermic spa pool and it's quiet, everyone's left so it's just us. So amazing end to our second day. We're off to Reykjavik after this, get some dinner, chill out tonight. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. So paint sky starting, we'll see you guys soon.